Koike Aronson is located here in Arcade, New York in Wyoming County.
I think people are surprised with what we do here.
It could be a space shuttle. It could be a bridge. It could be a ship. All of the steel that's cut on our machines eventually goes into those products. The other part of our business that we manufacture here are welding positioners. Some of our end users are Boeing helicopter, Boeing satellite, Caterpillar, John Deere.
I think it's a surprise to people that we ship worldwide because it's Arcade. It's a small town in western New York, and I just don't think it's a first thought that comes to your mind that we have a business that can ship into Asia and Middle East and Europe, South America, places like that.
Our parent company is Koike Aronson Sojo. They're in Tokyo, Japan, and we ship all over the world. We ship to Russia, we ship to the Middle East, we ship to South America.
We also ship over to China. A lot of our big positioners equipment go over to China.
Well, if you go back through the history of the company, the positioning equipment was started by Chuck Aronson, who was local to the area, and he patented a lot of products that we still actually manufacture today, and that's what's given us a foothold in the market. And now we've broadened where we sell, not just in the United States, but we market and sell overseas.
In 2003 we had 73 employees. Today we have 150 employees and openings for 3 more. We've expanded 3 times from 97,000 square feet to 167,000 square feet. Our latest expansion is a 30,000 square foot, 45-foot high building where we manufacture all of our positioners.
I'm an electronic technician, mainly working on cutting equipment, but I do both cutting and positioning. I build anything from cables, panels, interfaces, things like that.
If Koike Aronson weren't in Wyoming County right now, it wouldn't be anywhere.
Wyoming County is located approximately 30 miles south of Buffalo, kind of centered right in between Buffalo and Rochester. So we have a lot of innovative, very advanced manufacturing that goes on here, and they're here for a reason, and that's because of the workforce. The workforce here is unmatched in terms of work ethic.
These people go to the nth degree to finish projects, to start projects, to finish them the right way. It's probably the best work ethic I've ever seen in the 40 years I've been in business.
I think the employees take a lot of pride in their work and a lot of pride in making a quality product.
There's a lot of sense of camaraderie in our company. It's a small company, people are local, and the person sitting next to you is important to you.
One of the other big benefits of being here in Arcade, New York is the low cost of electricity or power.
Arcade is actually very unique in Wyoming County in that it has a very large allocation of hydropower.
We're probably lower than most of the areas outside of Wyoming County. It helps us, of course, on the bottom line, and when we expand, that's a big cost factor for us.
Wyoming County is a great place to start a business, primarily because of the location. We are out far enough that there's plenty of land to build. There's plenty of infrastructure to get your supplies here or to get equipment out of here.
I think the area is headed in a positive direction, and the major driving force is the educational systems, both the high schools, the junior colleges, and the colleges now changing their curriculum to accommodate what the manufacturers need to make the manufacturing business in the United States and in this area an attractive business for young people to come out of the schools. We get a lot of help from the Wyoming County Development Authority. We expand. They have helped us a great deal. Both the Wyoming County and the state have given us tax relief on the buildings and the equipment we put in. And I think anybody moving to the area can get that same opportunity that we have.
The goal of our entity is to help encourage and support businesses with growing and creating new jobs for Wyoming County. We're a one-stop entity in Wyoming County, so you just call us at the Wyoming County IDA. We bring in our economic development partners, both at the state level and the regional level, groups such as the Buffalo Niagara Enterprise, to help with getting all the resources available.
We have a bell out in the office area. When you have an order that reaches $10,000, you ring it once, $50,000 is twice, $100,000 is 3 times.
The best part of my job right now is coming here and seeing the success that we have every day.
I'm most proud of being a part of a company that's in Arcade that ships internationally.
This is the best company I have ever run. This is the best area I've ever been in.
Definitely a future here.